Hammertime.
What's up everyone and welcome back to another Hammertime video. Today I'm going to show you to make this really cool live edge coffee table. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you just how to do it. So the first step was to flatten out the slab with the woodpecker slab flattening jig, and this worked really well, and I ended up taking some slow-mo shots, so stay tuned. Once the flattening was complete, I decided to tape up the bottom to prepare for some epoxy to fill in the cracks. Then we mixed up some epoxy, and the reason you see my grandpa here mixing up the epoxy is because previously, as we were moving the slab to prepare for this, we slipped and dropped the slab on the table onto my finger, resulting in me breaking off this little piece here. And this is a couple days after the incident, so it kind of disabled me from working that day. Then we poured all the epoxy in the cracks, and this worked really well. We had to do 2 coats though. Okay, so for filling all the cracks in the slab, I ended up using this Tabletop Epoxy here. This is not an affiliate or anything. I wasn't sent this. I bought this with my own money. But I used this as Tabletop Epoxy, and I saw Jay Bates do it, so I figured if he can do it with tabletop, I can too. So it worked really well. I didn't have any issues with bubbles or anything. Really liked that. But with that said, I've seen some newer epoxies on the market. Rockler just came out with this new one called Más Epoxy. In Spanish, más means more. So I'm starting to wonder, so when it cures, does it shrink and you need more epoxy? Or does it expand and you have more epoxy? Do you know which one is it? Let me know down in the comments below. And then, Grizzly is now carrying the System 3 epoxy. But as far as I know, it's only 2-part. So shouldn't it be System 2? I don't know. I'm not sure. I just had some weird questions about these epoxies. So, make sure you go let me down in the comments below which one it is. Alright guys, let's get back to the build. Once the epoxy had fully cured, I used the block plane to get rid of the bulk of the waste before using a slab flattening jig. Then I belt sanded the piece to remove any milling marks. Then I could prepare for random orbital sanding. So I just wiped on some mineral spirits here, and this stuff just pops. The blue resin really complements this piece. This looks so cool. Time to apply some finish. I used tung oil diluted with mineral spirits for the finish here, and I really like the way it turned out. Then we spray painted the legs with some black spray paint. This took 2 coats. Then we screwed in the legs to the table after pre-drilling holes. Alright guys, this turned out really cool. Really like how this table ended up turning out. Really like the blue resin, how it complements it. Looks really nice. Overall, I'm really impressed with this. So I'm going to be selling this up on my website, so make sure you go check that out, the link below. Like, support me, check out some affiliate link in the description below as well. And until next time guys, happy building.